Hello, my name is Aditya Verma and my roll number is 200103007 and I'm from L6A Lab Group Mechanical Engineering and I will show you the project of casting of low melting point material today. For this we have required some model, the container, some plaster of Paris as you can see, and water, the wax sauce, some flattening tool, and I have taken some oil also. For this, we have to first of all require the mixture of plaster of Paris and water. So we will mix this lukewarm water and the plaster of Paris in the ratio 60 to 40 by mass. If we take the cold water, the cold water will give increased expansion, possibly making mold removal difficult and slower setting time. So we should not use the water below 18 degrees centigrade. Warm water will give less expansion and faster setting. About 70 degrees Celsius is ideal. Although we can use water up to about 100 degrees Celsius, but we will use lukewarm water so that I can easily handle that water with plaster because I have to make this and this by my hand. So let's start the mixing. As I have said that water and plaster ratio should be 60 to 40. I have taken the plaster of Paris 1 kilogram and the water I have taken. So I have taken the water approx 600 gram, so it can form a perfect mixture of Paris and plaster of Paris and the water. As you can see that I am mixing the water with plaster. We should keep in mind that uh, it it should not be kept more than 5 minutes after preparing the mixture because it will get hardened in the vessel itself. So after preparing the mixture, we should soak 2 or 3 minutes. We should make the mixture as that in this the smoothness is still remain. That means not a dry one or not a very uh, water dominancy. So we are preparing the mixture. As you can see, it is on the way. We should mix the water and plaster very properly. As you can see, our plaster and water mixture is ready. So I will ready the container and my plastic model. As you can see that this is my plastic model. So I will put some newspaper like that way. So in subsequent it not get suppressed. So it will help me and After this cavity is ready for the removal of this part, I will put some oil in that way, so it uh, can be removed easily. As you can see, I have just prepared the mixture and I will just use that, so it could not get hardened in the vessel itself. You can put some oil here also, so the mold can be removed easily. So now I will put some mixture in this. So now I will pour this plaster of Paris in this. You can see that it is not more than 5 minutes. It is getting hardened in the container itself. So you should care about this. I will flatten this edge. I can. So we will keep this as it is at least 1 hour, but I will keep this 2 hours so it can be get hardened enough. Meanwhile, I will clean my this vessel so that it should not be get permanently hardened. The plaster of Paris, so it should be removed in from the vessel. So you can see that it's got hardened now. So now we will remove that part. So as you can see that this is the our cavity in which we will put some wax to get our final product. So as you can see that I have melted the wax. Now I will put in this cavity very gradually. So it can form our desired product. We will keep this as it is for some time. As you can see that our wax got hardened enough because I had kept this as it is at for more than 1 hour. So now we will remove that part from this mold. As you can see that we have to remove the spot first. So that it can be removed. And removed by this way also, because we have to take out our final product. We will do our work very carefully. As you can see that we have to do this work with very precisely. So this is our product. We will do some changes in this. So as you can see that I washed my product in which some plaster of Paris was left, but now it is good, and this is our product. So thanks a lot.